Hey YouTube, so I spent a little bit of money today, again. I bought a new toy. So I'm gonna hand you over to my student, you guys can see. So unfortunately this probably won't get uploaded until later because my laptop is still not charged. There we go. Yeah. So I already, took that off just so we can be a little bit easier to see. I've not opened it yet, so here we go. Cool. Comes with a little pouch. Oh, there's stuff in the pouch. I thought the pouch would be empty. Your leg. So now I've been wanting a drone for a while, guys. So there, okay, this has a little hood on it. Now it goes on. I don't know. Oh, like that. Okay, cool. So here's the drone. Here's something down here. I have no idea. Oh. Those are the batteries. Okay, so it comes with 3 batteries. I'm gonna get those on charger. Alright. Let's take a look and see what's inside this pouch. So, didn't get into the new truck yet, or even know if I'm getting a new truck yet. That is still yet to find out. So inside here we have books I probably will never read. Here's the strap for, I guess, the case. Now supposedly this comes with a car charger as well, so that'd be kind of nice. And there's the car charger. Okay, cool. So it does come with a vehicle charger. Some small battery. The controller. Pretty dope. And then this. So I'm not sure how all that plugs up yet. Oh, okay, so this just plugs in like so. My guess. Oh no, like this. Okay. Anyway, I'll be playing with this all for a little bit. But yeah, this is the open box opening of a new toy. I'm gonna play with this for a little bit and then get back to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you for holding that. But yeah, I'm gonna play with this. See y'all later.